God doesn't force loyalty to Him, and He doesn't force us to be loyal to one another. He invites us to it. There's a big difference. Because you can force loyalty on someone, and that's fake loyalty. Naomi doesn't force Ruth. She doesn't manipulate Ruth. She doesn't say guilt her or twist her arm. I've learned this in this church. Friends, I don't want anyone in this church to be manipulated. I don't want anyone to be manipulated to serve, to pray, to give. I don't want anyone to be manipulated to do anything. Even going on outreaches like serving at Meet Me at the Bridge. I want us to be invited in, called in, not twisted our arms in. God doesn't manipulate us, friends. He calls us. He invites us. Why? Because it's relational. It's not transactional. And if my relationships are transactional, I struggle to be loyal. But when it's relational, then I'm loyal. Do you see the difference? There's a beauty of God's way. God doesn't demand it. He draws us out.